Hi, my name is Brandon Fisher with Alleo here at the Sony event in New York City. We're showcasing our a variety of different solutions that Alleo provides on this beautiful Sony CLED display. Let me just give you a glimpse into one of our offerings we're calling MultiShare. So MultiShare is a purpose-built, kind of really simplified sharing experience for where multiple users can come together on a display and easily share content. So you can see walking up to a screen, you've got two simple options. You can start a brand new session or join one that's in progress. In this case, we'll start a session, and in the interest of time, we've simulated this with pre-populating some content, right? Some images, video files, documents. As users use the menu to, or just drag and drop content from their laptop, the content will display. And then you can simply drag and drop into the template that we provided. We've got the ability to navigate, to just jump straight to a specific quadrant. Got the ability to select any object, right? To easily just annotate. You can see along the bottom there's a URL that allows remote users to join just by going to the URL and entering a unique code. And so this is just an example of a remote user joining from in the room or in a different location. And of course, they have interactivity as well. So again, this is MultiShare. This is just one of many offerings from Alleo. Thank you for your time. Visit us at withalleo.com.